Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel ATSTECHINFO. In this video, I will tell you about how to convert integer number into Roman number, and also from Roman number how to convert it to integer number. Please watch the video till the end, and if you are new to my channel ATSTECHINFO, then please subscribe my channel ATSTECHINFO and also like and share the video. Let's start our video. First of all, you have to type the integer numbers. After that, convert it to uppercase letter. You can convert it to uppercase letter by applying a formula equal to upper bracket stat double quotation, then your text, then double quotation end, then bracket end, enter. It will be converted to uppercase. Then Roman number, after that type the integer numbers. You can drag it integer number up to 10. Then Roman number, there is a formula equal to Roman bracket start, click on the cell number, then bracket end, enter. After that, drag it and it will automatically generate the Roman numbers. Then how to convert these Roman numbers into corresponding integer. I will input the Roman number and it will convert into integer numbers. Then I to I, B, 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 I, B to I, B3I, IX, X. Then I have to use in formula Arabic bracket start, then the Roman number, bracket end, enter. Then it will show the corresponding integer number. Then drag it down, then it will show all the integer numbers. If I will type here C, then automatically it will show 100. If I will type L, then it automatically show 50. If I will type CC, then it will automatically convert to 200. This is the main fonda of this video. You can format it by selecting the text, then center alignment, then you can select the heading, you can color it, after that you can make the borders, you can take it here, after that white, in this way you can convert it to a different look. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel ATSTECHINFO, then please subscribe my channel ATSTECHINFO, and also like and share the video to your friends and relatives so that they can understand various technical things. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching the video completely. Please subscribe our channel ATSTECHINFO and also like and share the video to your friends and relatives. Thank you.